Hi everyone, welcome back to YCloud. In the previous video, we completed the CTWA setup and enabled users to enter WhatsApp conversations directly from ads. In this video, we'll jump straight into how to handle these incoming users and how to track their conversion data. Once users enter WhatsApp from your ads, the first question is, who handles them? In most cases, it's not realistic to stay online 24/7. So a chatbot is usually the first step to handle incoming traffic. There are three common approaches. You can let the bot handle all new users first and transfer to human agents when needed. Use the bot only during off hours, or let it take over when no agents are available. Choose based on your workflow. Now let's look at how to set this up. Log into YCloud. Go to the Chatbot AI agent page. Create a rule-based agent and give it a name. Then go to Flows. Create a new flow and name it. Add a trigger by selecting keyword trigger and set it to exact matching. Enter the pre-filled message you used in your CTWA ads. This ensures that when users send that message, they'll automatically enter this flow. Then click Save. Next, add an Ask a Question module to guide users. You can use buttons so users can select what they're interested in. Then save your setup. Then configure the next steps for each button by connecting different modules to build a complete conversation flow. Finally, add an agent takeover module and set assignment rules so conversations can be handed over to human agents when needed. Once everything is set up, you can view all CTWA conversations in YCloud inbox. These users are labeled by source, so you can easily identify where they come from. In the inbox, you can reply to users, add tags, and follow up, making your conversion process more structured and manageable. Beyond handling users, tracking performance is equally important. In the CTWA Ad Manage page, you can view metrics such as spend, impressions, clicks, and conversations. Note that an ad will only appear in the dashboard after at least one user clicks and sends a message. By selecting a specific ad, you can view track events to understand user behavior. You can also click View Leads to view and export lead data. That's it. We've covered the full CTWA workflow, from ad traffic to customer handling and performance tracking. With automation and data insights, you can continuously improve your conversions. If you'd like to learn more about WhatsApp marketing tutorials and best practices, don't forget to follow YCloud. See you in the next video.